the main water heating unit that stores and heats water for household use. This valve controls water inlet, outlet, and pressure relief for safe geyser operation. SA safety valve automatically releases excess pressure to prevent tank explosion.
Assembly display heating assembly. Complete heating mechanism that includes element, thermostat, and connections.
Post capillary thermal switch. This sensor bulb is a temperature sensing device that cuts power if water overheats. Electric heating coil that converts electricity into heat to warm water. Power cable supplies electrical power from main supply to the geyser unit. Thermostat. Adjust temperature dial. Regulates water temperature by switching heating element on and off. Fastener geyser hanging hook. Securely mounts and hangs geyser unit on wall brackets. Demonstrate cutoff. Safety device that disconnects power when temperature exceeds safe limit PA.
Comforting from the 100 and counting. Hence with 16A power socket. Show socket connection electrical power.
Connecting pipe. Connecting pipe. Joe pipe fittings water tin grate. Is Joe pipe. Geyser astiply plate. Display mounting plate. Indicators. These are the LED lights. Visual lights that show when the geyser is powered on and heating. Assembly spare parts show nuts, bolts, washers needed for installation and maintenance.